Good morning, my friends. Today I will teach you how to prep my food on microwave. I got a lot of requests about it on my Facebook page, and yeah, with the frozen food. And let me show you. Here I have the, let me take the cover out. I have the rice with yuca and corn. It's a Brazilian traditional dish from my state in Goiás. It's so easy, around 12 to 13 minutes on microwave. Okay, let me show you the microwave. Okay, let me put on. Oh, I did something wrong. Stop cook time. Stop cook time. 12 minutes. Start. Yeah. I just want to show you how easy it is, and sometimes you have no time to prep the whole meal at home, and this is a very easy option for you that have no time. Most of people don't like to use the microwave at all, but unfortunately sometimes you have to use it, you know. I will pause the video, and when I get ready I will show you guys. Okay, see you soon. I forgot to tell you that I have chicken stroganoff for microwave, Brazilian feijoada. I think it's the most traditional dish in Brazil. Is smoked pork with black beans and white rice. In Brazil, you used to serve that plate like with collard green salad, orange, farofa, and what else? Orange and pork skin. But for microwave, I prep that just with white rice and the black beans, like so plain. No plain. Okay, what else I have? I told you guys the chicken stroganoff, the feijoada, black beans with smoked pork, the chicken with corn and yuca. Yuca is kind of potato from South America. It's a gluten-free option. Most of my dishes are gluten-free at all. Just the pizzas, the Brazilian chicken pizzas is not gluten-free yet. I'm working on that. And ground beef with mushrooms and cream. Yeah guys, I have a lot of good health options. It's so easy to heat on microwave. Okay, let's pause the video again because I have just 8 minutes on my phone to record. Okay, just one more thing. It's kind of, this is my first video, guys, sorry about it. I have a lot of things in my head right now, a lot of ideas, because I'm trying to record for you guys almost like 2 videos on week. I don't know if you have time, I do more or less than that. I teach you how to use my air fryer. The air fryer to prep the Brazilian cheese bread, the Brazilian coxinhas, the cheese risoles, the chicken pizzas too. I work with air fryers. I think it's most than 3 years, I think. And trust me, guys, I learned how to prep a lot of good stuff on air fryers. Even flan. It's unbelievable, but I got it. Wow, I see my beard is kind of weird today. Yeah, every day, but I don't want to cut my beard because I love my beard so much. Okay, the smell start to get like so nice, and I'm hungry. I think it's a perfect combination. Okay, I'm back. We have just 50 seconds left. And yeah, guys, I got a lot of lights. I'm recording that video on my living room because I got more lights in the house. And I see it's kind of weird because this side is kind of very bright, you know, but it's okay. 19 seconds. Okay, I got my plate here. I'm hungry. Right time to have some lunch. 3 seconds, 2. Okay, have to take care because it's very hot. Okay, I will open for you. See, guys, look at that. 12 minutes. Okay, let me put in my plate. When you see the container look like very slow food, but I show in the plate it's a lot of food. Okay, you see, and look that, just 12 minutes. Okay, thank you so much.